You ever hit rock bottom so hard it feels like even breathing's a full-body workout? Yeah, man, that was me. Flat on the floor of my own shop, staring at the ashes of what used to be my dream. Everything. Gone just a couple of years back, I thought I had it all on lock. Business was booming, folks gassing me up. I was feeling straight untouchable. But success, bro, it's slick. One bad move, one dumb deal, boom. It all blows up in your face. Lost my clients, my boys bounced. And the same people who used to be like, yo, you're going places, started whispering. He's done, man. I still remember that night clear as hell, on cold floor, empty pockets, ego in pieces. Then my mom's words came back like an echo in my head. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. That hit deep. Maybe falling wasn't the L I thought it was. Maybe it was the setup for the glow up, so yeah, I got up. Not quick, not clean, but I got up. Started from scratch, moved smarter. Stayed low-key, learned from the pain. And you know what? People started coming back. Not because I was talking loud, but because my quiet hustle started speaking for itself. If you've fallen, don't just lay there, fam. The ground's crowded, but that climb, that's all you. So rise again, even if your hands shake, even if nobody's watching. Because sometimes starting over ain't weakness, it's your comeback. Your rebirth, your real damn glow up. If you liked the story, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the StoryNest official family, where we drop motivational videos every single day to keep your fire alive. I'll stay inspired, stay rising,